Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to mass block on Bluesky. Alright, it's pretty easy to do. It will work on both PC and mobile version. Just go ahead over to your settings. Alright, now once you're in here, go ahead and go to moderations. Click on it or tap on it in your phone. And once you're in here, we're going to want to tap or click on moderation list. Click on it. Now, we're going to want to create a new moderation list right here by tapping on new with a plus sign besides it. Click on it. Down here, we're going to want to make a name for the list. For example, blocked accounts. All right. Down here, if you want to add some descriptions, just go ahead and add in some description. For example, news. All right. If you want to, you can go ahead and upload an avatar right here. Just for this example, I'm going to show you how to upload from files. All right. Now we're going to want to select a photo right here. For example, this one, maybe here, Twitch. All right. Hit on done. Once done, just hit on save. Wait for the website to load. Down here, you can just go ahead and start adding people. Click on start adding people right here. Click on it. Now go ahead and look for people or channels. For example, I wanted to block some news channels, right? For example, here, I'm going to look for ABS right here, ABS-CBN News, which is the Filipino News Center. I'm going to hit on add, and another one, maybe GMA. It's not available. A Fox News right here. NBC. Add. Now, if you wanted to add some people, just go ahead and look for the particular username. All right. For example, Katy Perry right here. Just add. If you wanted to block all of Katy Perry's socials in Bluesky. Now, what we're going to do next, as you can see here, here's the list that we just added. Now what we're going to do is just basically click on subscribe right here at the top. Click on it. Now if you want to, you can just go ahead and mute the accounts. By muting, muted accounts can interact with you, but you will not see their post or receive notifications from them. Now if you just wanted to mute them, just go ahead and click on mute list. If not, if you really wanted to block them, just go ahead and click on subscribe again, then hit on block accounts. Blocking is public. Blocked accounts cannot reply in your threads, mention you, or otherwise interact with you. Now, once you're sure of the blocking, just click on block list right here, and there will be block. I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. All right, click on block list. As you can see, list blocked. You can just go ahead and unblock them anytime you want, but just go into the same set of settings. Let's go ahead and go to settings and go to moderation. In here, moderation list. As you can see, click on the blocked accounts. Now, hit on unblock if you want to unblock them. All right, as you can see, list unblocked, and that's basically how you mass block on Bluesky. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.